Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can input a SIM card into your brand new TCL 20 Pro 5G. So this is going to be a very simple tutorial. I'm going to walk you step by step in how you can input your SIM card, whether it's from Metro by T-Mobile, AT&T, Cricket Wireless, basically whichever carrier you decide to use. Just follow this tutorial and you'll be able to input that SIM card perfectly fine into your 20 Pro 5G. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is get your TCL 20 Pro 5G box, go ahead and open it up again, and then you're going to go ahead and search for this little booklet, and once you remove those items, it's right there. Go ahead and get that booklet there, and go ahead and open it up. Because once you open it up, behind the quick start guide is going to be the SIM removal tool. So you want to go ahead and get that tool out. And once you get that tool removed, go ahead and grab your TCL 20 Pro 5G. Now to the bottom of the device right there is going to be your tray. So with the SIM removal tool, go ahead and place the tool into that little hole of the tray right there and go ahead and press in. Once you press in, you'll notice the tray does pop out a little bit right there, just enough where you can go ahead and remove the tray. So once you got the tray removed, I want to go ahead and share with you that you have two sides to this tray. So the first side is going to say SIM this side up. And if you flip it over, it's going to say micro SD. So that's for expanding storage. If you want to input a micro SD card, you can go ahead and place that right there. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to put the SIM card in. So go ahead and grab your SIM card from whatever carrier you're deciding to use on your 20 Pro 5G, and you can basically line it up with the direction of the SIM tray. So you can just take a look at it right there and you'll see, okay, I'm going to have to flip over my SIM card in order for it to fit into the tray just like that. So as you can see, this is the way it's going to be positioned into the tray. It fits perfect. And once you have it fit perfect into the SIM card tray, go ahead and place the tray with the SIM card right back into your 20 Pro 5G. Now it's up to you. You can go ahead and power off your 20 Pro 5G before you input the SIM card, or you can leave it on, whatever you decide to do. But as you can see, the SIM card is in with the AT&T network here. And as you can see, the 20 Pro 5G is reading AT&T on the upper left-hand corner. Let me go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi so you can see that I do have signal coming in. It should show on the right-hand side as well. So there you go. And as you can see, the TCL 20 Pro 5G is reading my SIM card from AT&T perfectly fine. Now with some carriers, as soon as you input the SIM card, everything works 100%. You can make calls, text messages, surf the web. Other carriers, it might require for you to call in and then they have to set up the SIM card for your device. It varies from carrier to carrier, but that's basically it for this video. That's how you input a SIM card in the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Thanks for watching everybody. Thanks for subscribing. This is Paul Tech. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.